Do you want to correct your English speaking sentences? Then you have clicked on the right video. Hello, this is Habib and welcome to English Speaking Zone. Watch this video till the end, don't skip it. This lesson is explained with different examples in this video. Let's get started. And the first sentence is I likes your channel. That is incorrect. I like your channel is correct. And the second sentence is she do not speak English. That is incorrect. She does not speak English is the correct sentence. Third sentence is I will come on Sunday. At Sunday is incorrect. I will come on Sunday. On Sunday is the correct sentence. And the fourth sentence is I am agree. That is incorrect. Correct sentence is I agree. Sentence we are going to picnic. That is incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is we are going to picnic. And the last sentence is what time it is. It is incorrect sentence. What time is it is the correct sentence. Please subscribe for daily new English lessons. And thanks for watching my video. I'll catch you in next video.